Okay, this is the first one about installing Python, actually programming in Python. I tried installing Python before, but I had some problems while trying to install a library, a visual library, just to see visually how things works. So first and foremost, install Visual Studio. Okay, I forgot to take a screenshot while I was installing it. Just so now please just check this box. Make sure to check this box because it will allow Windows to recognize when you're typing some commands on the terminal in Visual Studio Code. Okay, you open Visual Studio. Of course, when you have it installed already, and then come here and where it says terminal, new terminal, and now we have the terminal. Now you can type something. What we are gonna try is to type something like Python or Python 3, and then the name of the file .py, and that's it. Actually, you can come here, open a new folder, file, new open folder. It's not a new folder, it's just open folder, and I have some folders here. For example, learn Python. This one. Okay, we are open the folder, not the file, and then you press open, and it will open the folder, and now you can see the files. Okay, but before this, we need to install Python. Okay, so we're gonna go to the downloads page, and we are not installing this version because this version is not working, or at least it didn't work for me when I was trying to install the library. And I would suggest you to do as I'm gonna do, because we are gonna be using the same libraries. And I know it'll be, some people say on the internet that 3.12 works well, but I'm gonna try to find some older versions, probably 3.11, not files for this release, not files. Okay, scroll down. I'm here. I was here in the main page, and then I clicked on where it says Windows, looking for Python with a different OS, Python for Windows, and we have here all the releases. Okay, now scroll down till we find 3.11. 3.11. Okay, Windows installer 64-bit. I guess I already have it. Okay, just click to download and then execute. Now check add Python exe to path. This way Windows will recognize the commands from Python, and then click on install now. Yes. Just wait a second, maybe 2 seconds, 3 seconds. I'm gonna close this and try to reopen it after the installation is done. Okay, it says it was successful. Then close this, go to Visual Studio, and we are here. And now we can type Python commands. First, I'm gonna try to execute one of these files. Okay, and just type Python Fibonacci. Okay, it is dot backslash Fibonacci dot py, and run. I'm not gonna talk about the code right now. It is just Fibonacci. It draws the first 100 Fibonacci numbers, and that's it. Now we have Python. The next the next step is of course install Git. No, not Git. Sorry, it is not Git. Installing the library that I like to use for visual stuff, visual development, like making video games and so on. It is called Pygame. Pygame. Okay, here we have Pygame. I can try it now, but I don't want to make the video longer than this. Okay.